Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and I think over there you can see Ennis in his natural habitat. You guys just see him? Oh, yeah, there he is.
Anyways guys, I don't know if he's introduced the video yet, but welcome back to another video. Today we're doing bike driving.
That's my phone.
In his nature reserve, and there's people over there with a dog. So I'm probably going to stop recording, because that's really awkward.
Hey, we're going to give you some footage on the GoPro.
Yeah, footage on the GoPro, we're going to have a good montage there. And yeah, we'll get back to you after. I was in the middle of recording a montage and he just lost the cap down there.
You gotta go get that.
Drink my water, mate.
Some good bloody water. What did you just say? Did you get it? How is it?
Well, I was just drinking my water and I was hoping, my cap wouldn't fall off.
Yeah, but yeah, shit happens. Now back to the montage, right? Should we prank him and turn around? Let's prank him. Alright, guys, we're turning around. We're tricking him. Go. He doesn't realize we're gone. You reckon we should? Is he? See you later! Bye-bye!
How long did it take you to realise?
Pretty easy. I was talking to myself.
Yeah, I heard you talking. I'm like, is he talking to us?
Who are you talking to? What
Did you realize we went like, oh my god, how didn't
I
you
was
hear?
like, the next bridge has holes.
And then you turn around.
The next bridge has holes, he's talking to yourself.
$100 if you jump in here.
How deep?
$100.
$100.
You sure about
I'll
that?
put my foot in, but that's it.
I'll take my socks off and everything, I'll put my foot in there.
Both feet have to go in there.
Nah, I'll sit down and put my feet in
I
and
mean,
then
that'd be
come
some
out.
pretty good footage, but I would probably die from cancer the next day.
There could be a crocodile underneath the bridge.
I'll sit down there and
A crocodile,
I'll put
piss off. A crocodile. Look how low the water
I'll
is.
sit down and put my feet in. Like just the
You won't.
No.
No, you
just the
won't.
tips.
No, you won't.
You just want to make a bit?
No, you won't. You won't do it. What was your foot shaking?
You thought it was a crocodile going to come to you.
I did it for you guys. That's what people do. Nah. Oh shit.
Yeah, he did it for you guys, so now go subscribe to Bros Gaming and Eek TV.
Goodness.
The Bros Gaming, he's got 2 videos on their bottle flip. I mean, how many views you got on there? 6?
No, altogether got 100.
100. Alright, there we go, 100. Not bad for 2
They're
videos.
the same
For your start.
subscribers as you.
What?
You have 100 subscribers. He has 100.
Yeah, I know.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, Kenon's vlog.
I'm not vlogging,
Hi,
you idiot.
hi, Bros Gaming.
But I've changed it.
Yeah, haven't you still Bros Gaming?
Thank God I'm
Ready? I'll do frisbee
Yes,
for
yeah,
you
your
guys.
channel's Emir Shahinovic or
That's
Shahinovic.
just my name.
I'll do the frisbee. Ready?
Bro, everybody, their 2 channels are going to be in the description below. Make sure to go check them out. They're both bullshitting you. They both have channels.
How far do you think I can
They just don't
throw
upload.
this? How far do you think I can throw this? I don't like it.
Not very far.
No, give it to me. I'll put it on. Kenan, don't throw it.
Kenan, don't.
Oh,
Kenan! Why'd you throw it? You're an idiot. Look at it.
Bro, we got another phone like that at home.
You've only got one of them.
Where's it gone? I can't even see it
It's
anymore.
not
In the
even
middle of
going in
the
the dark.
bushes.
Where?
Look.
Oh, there it is. No, you probably can't see it on camera.
You can get it.
So you might sink there.
Yeah, no, I gotta be careful. There it is.
What an idiot.
Shit.
How do you feel about that? You just threw your freaking wristband in the
It
water.
wasn't his, it's mine.
Because I got it for you.
Yeah, and I've been laughing.
Oh,
So you could have gave it to me.
we didn't like it.
Limbo, limbo.
They're only KFC ones anyways.
Shout out to Jack, under 13, Jack Field.
Jack Field.
Thanks for hooking us up with the KFC wristbands.
Yeah, KFC, bro. Kids fattening centre.
Alright, let's go.
Alright guys, I'm gonna get back to you after once we are
You know
stop
there's
somewhere
no
else.
holes in that.
Alright guys, this path here is gonna lead us all the way to Mexico. Currently on the border, we're crossing the border. Hi boys,
Yeah, man. We're gonna go to South Africa.
we're going to Mexico in South Africa.
See how far we can go with this.
Bro, you know Molly SKM got caught in South Africa? I mean in where the border is now?
Mexico.
Mexico, yeah.
There was always a border there, but anyway. Interesting.
Donald Trump, you're doing it all.
Do you reckon she went this way? Do you reckon she went this way?
Because you see like a little... Where does she walk?
I don't see anything, to be honest with you.
No,
Go back. Look, don't you see a little path?
Oh yeah, you can see a path down here and leads down there. Maybe that's the people that own this land.
Well, I don't think it is because she went left.
I reckon if we keep going straight and take a right, that will take us that way.
Yo, if we keep going this way, we're gonna end up on a road because we can't go back that way.
Let's go this way. Let's see what's up.
So you're not go further down that way?
Discovery Channel, exploring. That's when you do it, unless you put the Discovery Channel shit there.
My editing skills aren't that
I
good,
can
bro.
see the roads.
Naked and afraid.
I know.
Naked or afraid, start stripping, boys.
I think this will take us to George's farm.
George's farm is down that way,
Like,
mate.
He keeps some little shit. He keeps some shit down here, doesn't he?
Oh yeah, he does. Hey, this will take us down to that roundabout
Yeah.
over there.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, it will. Hey, it will, and we'll end up on the roads over there.
Yeah. Because George's farm is down there.
Good old Georgie boy.
He gives us paprika.
Paprika. Paprika.
Capsicum for you Australians.
I think they know what paprika is, Kim.
For you.
But they don't know what chivapi are.
I think she might take this round.
They don't know what chivapi are, huh?
They know what small sausages are. That's
Chivapi. If you haven't tried that, then if you haven't tried that, you haven't lived life yet.
Exactly.
I
Or
God.
Pleskovice, man.
Then Mr. Uzman, I want to go get a flower for Nana.
Or burek. Oh my god.
Mate, bro, Bork overseas is beautiful.
Oh, chivapi is all in Boston. Holy shit.
No!
No, well, not that it's other people's. We're just borrowing. We'll return it, but look how big the grass is down there. Unless you want to go down there.
I don't care. I'll go get a rose.
Yeah, but they're roses. They're gonna have.
Discovery Channel.
They're gonna have thorns in them. They're gonna have thorns in them.
I don't care.
On the way back.
On the way back, we'll probably just drive. Alright. Alright guys, we had a little problem there. Ran out of memory on the camera. So yeah, now we got memory and Emmy just pissed off down there and left us. You know I'm recording and I'm recording with your camera, so I want to be extra careful. Anyways, what was we talking about before? Oh yeah, remember the first time we did our vlog?
Yeah.
We were driving to Woolworths to get some bread or something. Holy shit, that was like, how long now? Nearly a year ago?
Yeah.
Freaking crazy. Yeah, but if you guys want to check out that video, it's gonna be... It's gonna be... Yeah, if I remember to put it in there, but yeah, it's...
And if you didn't subscribe, man, there's
Yeah.
always that red button there.
What are you doing? Just subscribe already. But anyways, yeah, search up Eek TV, look us up, and yeah, it's a channel where all three of us do videos together. Huh? Yeah, because that's the end of the road. That's Muslinka there. He's going to bury olives, mate. I think there's olives down there. But yeah, if you haven't seen our channel yet, go search it up. It's where all three of us here together do. Fuck, yeah. Oh, it's coming back, it's coming back. Holy shit. That bee was massive, dog. That bee was massive. I don't even think that was a bee, man. That was a wasp or something. Holy shit, imagine getting bitten by that. Oh, this is the end of the line, boys. It's onto the road now. Yeah, I'm get back to you guys after because my hand's just about to fall off from driving and recording. Alright guys, thanks for watching that video. Make sure you leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe down below, hit that bar, do whatever the hell you want. And we'll see you next video.
The links will be
Down
to
in the description.
yeah.
Her body's gold like September. She burns through the night like an ember. And all those things we try forgetting, I remember. But we say we all